In this tutorial, the topics we will cover are successors and schedule. How to add successors? Actually, when we have an activity and we have another second activity, if we want to start the second activity after the first activity, then the second activity will be known as the successor of the first. You will understand more when we will do it practically. There are many methods to add the activity successor. One of the easiest method is to highlight the activity and click on activity form. Activity form appears here. Click on successors. Then click on add icon. The start successor is D0010. Click on check icon. Then the selection of architect. For selection of architect, I am going to use the another method of adding the successor. That is right click, go to activity detail, and here click on successors. Just highlight the activity ID and add D0011. Press enter. Okay, now close it. The third method of adding the successor is to press the Ctrl J on your keyboard. Again add a successor, and this time we have the successor D0021. Press enter of your keyboard, close it. Now double click, it is also a method. Double click on an activity, go to successor, add a new successor D0031 and press the enter key of your keyboard. Click on OK, close it. Now you can use any method. Let me use the right click, activity detail, successors. Okay, its successor will be D0041. Another method, you can use the jump button. Don't close the successor dialog box. Just click on the jump and it will jump to the activity which you have defined as successor in the previous case. You can see that in previous case we have activity D0041. Now when I will click on the jump button, it will automatically jump to the D0041 activity. Let's see. D0041, and its successor is C0051. Press enter. Now when I will click on the jump key, it will go to C0051 activity. You see, C0051, and its activity code is C00. Its successor will be C0061. Press enter. Again press jump. So similarly you can add different activity successors. In this you can also add more than one successor for an activity. It all depends on the project manager. He can understand, he can visualize how many activities he can start at a single time. So let me add 3 activities in case of covering of first floor. For example, there are many activities you can see and they are not sorted. just for instance, and you want to a specific activity, so there are some ways. Press the Control F on your keyboard and find activity dialog box appears. Here you can see, you can click on any activity and its activity ID is displayed. Other method is go to Edit, click on Find Activity. In this case I have to find C0121, sorry, C0211, that is curing of first floor. Double click on it, go to successors and add the first successor C0221, add the second successor C0431, add the third successor C0451. You can see I am just entering the activity IDs and the description is automatically retrieved. Now let me click on OK, and so all the successors are added. Now I am going to schedule it. So for scheduling, either click on the schedule icon or go to tools schedule. You can also access schedule by pressing the F9 key of your keyboard. So schedule, it's the project start date, schedule now, view on screen. Okay, so it's the schedule. If you have not defined the successors, you will have all the activities in this, between these two red lines, and it will be said that this activity has no successor, just like an example activity F0601, which is the completion, so it has no successor, and activity T001, which is the start, and it has no predecessors. There was some problem in the last project, so I have made some changes. But one of the changes is that the project name I have changed to Home1. It doesn't matter, but just to differentiate I have done this. So here you can see that the total number of activities are 62, and data date, you can see that the date on which we have provided data is 1st July 2008, while the project start date is also 1st July 2008. We want to finish the project by 28th of February 2010, but you can see that the calculated finish date is 4th May 2011. So we have to start some activities which are possibly to started. We will start them at a single time, so that we might be able to attain the 28th February 2010 finish.